Just a few hours away awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise, where you and your loved one can get away from it all. With a restaurant right on the beach, there's no reason to leave this slice of paradise. But there's more to a holiday than food and conversation. Water skiing is perfect for anyone who feels the need for speed, or go out for a surf and ride some of the nicest swells around. For adventure seekers, we recommend some of the local scuba diving. There's nothing else quite like it on the planet. You'll want to catch the nearby attractions. These options and activities make this a great choice for families or friends. Is this beach calling your name? Then it's time to start packing.